Hey guys, my name is Jeff, and I'm going to be teaching you a conversation class this semester, and you're going to learn a movie. And this picture is from the movie. It's called Forrest Gump, and this guy in the picture, he's the star of the movie. So nice to see you. My name's Jeff, and let me talk about my class. Okay, so wait a minute, like share the screen here. Okay, so here's my email address. Please email me anytime about anything. You're more than welcome to send me an email if you have any kind of question, any problem, please. I check my email very often, so it's no problem. Okay, great. So you guys are, as I said, you're going to learn a movie. It's called Forrest Gump, right? This picture here is from that movie. And so to get an idea, actually, the trailer is here. By the way, this class plan is on here also on Moodle, so you can find it on Moodle and watch. We call it a trailer. Trailer is a few minutes video to see what a movie is about. So you can see all about a movie, well, get an idea about a movie with a trailer, this word here, trailer. So the trailer for Forrest Gump is right here. So take a look at that to get some sense of the movie, idea of the movie. Okay, so here we go. Forrest Gump, name of the movie. And I'm going to give you guys questions. Every week you'll have questions about the movie. And, you know, in the class, I'm going to teach this movie. And first thing you do is try to answer the questions that I give you, right? So every week I'll share the questions on Moodle. So you'll have those questions and try to answer the questions by yourself. Okay, this way you can really learn the movie better. You'll understand it more. Then the next week I will give you answers. So you'll have answers to my questions. Okay, but first try to answer by yourself. And if you can't answer any of those questions, I will tell you the answers. Okay. So those same questions actually will be on your tests. We'll have a midterm test and a final test, okay? And I'll just ask you the same question. So if you already studied the questions before, easy, right? Same question, just tell me the answer. So that's it, yeah? Very simple. So it'll be a speaking test, right? It's a conversation class, so we need to work on speaking. Should be practicing your speaking of English. Okay. In the class, I will have some activities. So every class you have your questions. Also, I'll have some activity, usually with speaking. So you're going to practice your speaking in the class. Okay. It's important. So I will teach part of the movie in every class. You should take notes in a notebook and bring your notebook to class every week. So try to remember, when the teacher's talking, you should be listening to the teacher and writing notes in your notebook. Okay, please, really, you need to do that. Try to listen to the teacher, take notes in your notebook. That's why the teacher's talking, right? So you can learn. And it's hard to remember everything, so you really need to have a notebook. Okay, so try to remember that. Yeah, bring the notebook to the class every week. Okay. And then you can study the notes for your midterm and final tests, right? So that's very useful to have a notebook. So when I'm talking, please listen, write notes, and please do not play video games on your phone. I don't like that. My class is for learning English, not for playing video games. So please don't do that in my class, okay? Please just don't do it. Thank you. I appreciate that. Okay. Yeah, so in the class, just taking notes, and then we'll do some activity. So I'll have an activity for you to do. Again, so to kind of repeat everything, so in every class, I'll teach you part of the movie. You'll take notes. You will then answer the questions that I give you. These will be the same questions on the midterm and final tests. I will give you the answers in the next class, but you still have to try to find the answers yourself before that, okay? After the questions about the movie each time, you will have an activity to do in the class. So every week I'll give you a new activity and then you'll do that in the class, okay? So please do this activity if you want a good grade in the class. And you should answer questions I give you every week by yourself. You can type these into the Word document that I give you on Moodle. You already are using Moodle to see this video, right? So just get in the habit. You need to use Moodle, or check Moodle every week for all the things you need to do in the class. So there will be a Word document. That's how I'll share the questions with you, okay? And so you can actually, put your answers into the Word document and then save it, right? So that way you can really see, what the answers are. You can, study those, remember those, okay? So save these, then study them for the midterm final test. So I'll give you the answers and then you just have to remember them. So again, for the test, we have two tests, right? Midterm test, final test. For those, just remember the answers, and easy, right? You have to say the answers and then you can pass the test. All right. If you have any problem, ask me, right? Email me. You can just ask me in the class. Okay, great. So here's we call a trailer. That's the way to, learn about a movie, know something about the movie. So here's the trailer for Forrest Gump. All right, here's my grading. It's going to be 40% midterm test, 40% final test. Okay, so again, speaking about the movie, you need to watch this movie and you need to understand it. Okay, so the whole semester, it's 18 weeks, we just learn one movie. Okay, so sometimes before in the class, students don't even watch the movie. What? Okay, come on. You have to watch this movie and you have to really learn it. And you're supposed to know all the English in the movie, okay? Again, if you don't understand something, just ask me. But you need to really watch the movie and you're trying to learn all the English in the movie, okay? Great. Okay, so those are the tests. That's 80% for the two tests. And then 20% coming to the class, participating, speaking English, doing your work, and not playing video games on your phone, okay? So just be a good student, right? Come to the class, listen to me talking, ask questions, write in your notebook, right? Try to do everything in the class. Show me you care. I want to see that you care about this class, right? Don't be sleeping in the class, playing video games, right? Not good. You need to show me you care about this class, okay? Great. Okay, so that's it. Hope you enjoy it and look forward to seeing you soon, all right? Take care.